So as you can see po sa ating title, today I will be sharing to you some of the perfumes that reminds me of Christmas. Ayan, stay tuned po. Ayun, so guys, before anything else, I would like to greet everyone. Merry Christmas, from my family to yours. Sorry po hindi ako naka-upload for quite some time kasi halata naman po sa aking boses, galing po ako sa sakit. Pero ayun, thank God ako po ay siguro mas okay na compared sa mga nakarang araw, although may sakit pa rin sa ngayon. Pero before po mag-end ang year, syempre gusto ko mag-share sa inyo ng content or mag-share sa inyo ng siguro isang topic about Christmas. So again, when we say Christmas, of course, as fragheads, hindi ka lang naman reminded of what happens in Christmas, like the festivities or the gifts at the celebration, the togetherness. Pero syempre, iniisip mo rin ano kayang perfume ang gagamitin ko sa Christmas, and of course, moreover, you think of a perfume that would create a memory, kasi ako po personally, I wear perfume sa mga special events or occasions, di ba? Para pag naamoy mo yung perfume, you would incorporate the memory nung event na yon doon sa perfume, So anyway, I would like to share sa inyo 5 perfumes that reminds us of Christmas. Take note po guys, I am from Baguio, so siguro blessing as a fraghead na mag-wear ng mga heavy hitters, quote and quote, na mga perfumes dito like gourmands or oud-based frags, warm spicy frags, and everything else in between. Anyway, guys, ito yung 5 na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Marami pa po yan, pero mag-share lang po ako ng 5 sa inyo. Ayun, so guys, my number 1 perfume that reminds me of Christmas, I have a decant here. Actually, ni-review na po natin to sa channel, as you can see, I don't know if ayun, so ayan, this is Valençol Romance from Ren Atelier, again, ilalagay natin yung link nung review ko nito. I have reviewed 6 perfumes from the house. This is a local niche brand. And again, para po sa mga nakapanood, yung history ng perfume na ito, according to Sir Renato Lopena, the creator and the manager, the owner of Ren Atelier, sabi po niya, the memory of this frag is yung prenup photo shoot nila ng wife na po niya ngayon, and ginawa po nila yan sa Plateau de Valençol, sa Valençol, France. And sabi niya sa akin, kaya po aside sa desire niya to have a gourmand entry perfume sa kanyang line, ang inspiration nito moreover is yung experience nila sa Plateau de Valençol, so yung smell ng wheat, yung smell ng lavender field, yung smell ng breakfast nila, yung croissant, yung hot chocolate, so yung honey, lahat po yon in-incorporate niya doon sa memory ng prenup photoshoot na yon. At ang ganda lang po nung sinabi ni Sir Renato na yung Valençol Romance, it gives this impression, this story of unity in the midst of contrast, so parang sinasabi niya katulad na sila ng wife niya, meron mang differences, meron mang contrast, pero may unity pa rin, it still worked out, parang gano'n, napaka sweet lang, napaka galing lang ng story. And ako personally, it reminds me of Christmas because of its cozy notes, may lavender, may wheat, may honey, may chocolate note, yung mga notes na yon that are cozy, that are comforting, and para siyang drinking a hot chocolate milk in a cafe dito sa Baguio, no, during Christmas sunset, no. Parang lumabas ka in the evening with your special someone or with your family, tapos nasa cafe lang kayo, no, siguro somewhere sa teachers camp, no, and umiinom lang kayo ng coffee or ng tsokolate, no. So para sa akin napaka-cozy kasi yung notes, no. So again, this is Valensoul Romance by Ren Atelier. Okay, next, perfume that reminds me of Christmas. This is Angel Share ng by Kilian, no? So I have a decant bottle here. I'm still looking for the full presentation, yung bottle talaga ng by Kilian, baka naman. So ayun, no, by Kilian, Angel Share, isa po ito sa kilalang kilala siguro, no, sa frag community, na frag ng by Kilian, of course, aside from Black Phantom, no, kasi this is really easy to like, no, and na-review ko na rin po ito, no. Again, ilalagay po natin yung link below. Nung na-review ko po yung dupes ng Angel Share, no. So yung story nito, basically this is a percentage daw of cognac, no, sa mga barrels, no, and every year may parang percentage, no, if I remember correctly, no, parang around 7% that evaporates in the air. And dahil po sa smell ng cognac, they believe, no, na you share or rather the angels share yung percentage that evaporates in the air. Thus the name Angel Share, and this is for me one of the best na creation ni Kilian Hennessy. And of course, this is from the Liqueurs collection. And guys, if you look up the notes, no, at para po sa mga nakatry na, no, yung combination ng cognac, ng cinnamon, ng praline, ng oak, yung woody sweet na yun, no, na may earthy facets, no, napaka comforting, no, para sa akin. And parang it reminds you of the smell, no, ng family dinners, ng Christmas dinners with your family, at malamig yung gabi, parang gano'n, no. And you would wear this, no, of course, na merong sigurong medyo too much yung cognac nito, no, pero basically pag maiisip mo to, it would remind you of Christmas. Well, at least for me, no. So again, no, yung combination na yon, it speaks or it screams Christmas for me, no. So anyway, Angel Share ng by Kilian, ayan, no. So I have a good amount of decant bottle here, no. So ayun, no, looking for pa rin po ako, no, ng kahit empty bottle ng Angel Share, nag-plug ng LF, no. Anyway, ayun, no, pangatlo po ay as you can see here, no, paubos na po ito. Actually, parang 1 or 2 sprays na lang ito, no. If you could see it here, this is Desert Rosewood by Goldfield and Banks, Australia. Okay, ito po ay naubos ko kaagad kasi I really like the scent profile, and ang hirap lang po talagang maghanap ng Goldfield and Banks sa Pilipinas, pambihira, no. Meron po from time to time nakakita po ako ng Pacific Rock Moss, lalo po last year, no, ang dami pong naglalabasang Pacific Rock Moss. And from time to time may Ingenious Ginger or Sunset R. Ilan lang po talaga sa community ang nakitaan ko ng Desert Rosewood. Anyway, this is inspired sa Australian desert, no, in its warmest time of the year, no, parang scorching sun, no, parang ganun yung inspiration niya. It is this amazing mix, ito pong perfume na to. It's this mix of woods and spices, and they feature this note called Palisander Rosewood, no, that most probably gives the smell ng warm and orange-like na sweetness, but at the same time, it is woody. Siguro, imagine guys, para siyang orange syrup, no, na binuhos mo sa medyo basa na wood on a warm day. Parang ganun, no? I really like its smell. And siguro, ang reminder sa akin ng Christmas dito, dahil doon sa orange-like na sweetness and its warm spices, no? If you know or if you have tried that perfume called Sintra ng Memo Paris, of course, Sintra is more of the lactonic notes and the marshmallow, etc. Yun po yung notes note. Para sa akin, parang distant cousin niya si Desert Rosewood dahil siguro sa orange, no? I really like the feels or the vibes of the perfume kasi yung Sintra and Desert Rosewood parang same yung binibigay sa aking Christmas vibes, parang ganun, no? Para siyang celebrating Christmas in your childhood, parang ganun, no? Yung innocent lang, no, na parang wala kang iniisip na gastos, wala kang iniisip na ano bang mangyari after the holidays, yung you are just a child looking forward sa Christmas, no? Napaka nostalgic ng memory, no? So ayun, no, Desert Rosewood by Goldfield and Banks, Australia. And guys, no, baka meron pong nanonood dito na meron po kayong partial bottle ng Desert Rosewood. Baka naman pwede ninyong i-let go, no? Nag-plug ulit ng LF, no? So anyway, joke lang po yun. Desert Rosewood by Goldfield and Banks, Australia. Ayan, so we are down to our last two, and my fourth one would be, ayun, no, this is, okay, I don't know if you could see it. Ayun, no, this is Crush on Me by Unique E Luxury. So, para po sa akin, this is one of the best Middle Eastern niche houses. So, of course, ang Middle Eastern, when you say Middle Eastern frags, kasi ngayon sa community, most lang nang na-feature ay yung Middle Eastern dupes, no, or clones, no? Pero actually, we have Middle Eastern niche houses like Widian, ito pong Unique Luxury, of course, Amwaj or Oman Luxury. Yung mga yan ay Middle Eastern niche houses. Anyway, this features the main notes actually of caramel and patchouli. Ayan, no? Pero of course, in the background, may cradle siya ng lime, ginger, saffron, and amber, no? Imagine, guys, sweet caramel na parang may earthy chocolate, no? That's the patchouli, yung earthy and dirty, parang gano'n na chocolate with deep florals na to the point na para siyang French coffee, parang gano'n, no? Matamis siya, para siya actually caramel syrup and French coffee, parang gano'n yung smell niya, no? And guys, lalo po sa malamig, this smells really, really good, no? Of course, it still performs really well sa mainit, pero cloying siya kasi imagine caramel, no? Imagine the smell of chocolate, the smell of coffee, the smell of caramel, no? Cloying yan sa mainit. Anyway, that sweetness kasi reminds me of kung alam po ninyo yung Cadbury Eclairs, parang ganun yung smell niya sa akin, no? Yung po kasi binibigay sa amin nung mga bata pa kami, no? At during Christmas or during the holidays, may magbibigay po ng eclairs ng Cadbury, napakatamis nun. And I really like the smell dahil nga po dun sa caramel, no? Again, it reminds me of childhood, it reminds me of gifts, it reminds me of Christmas with your family. Ayun, no? So, again, Crush on Me by Unique E Luxury. And the last one, guys, the last perfume that reminds me of Christmas would be, ayun, no? This is Sundowner by Tower Perfumes. Actually, I have a decant as well here. Talagang gusto ko yung perfume na ito. And if you could see sa aking profile sa Frag Talk PH, isa po ito sa signature perfumes ko. Anyway, this is inspired from celebrating the sunset while watching it from this island called Elephantine sa Nile, no? Ang galing ng inspiration. It speaks of that darkness from light, no? Parang nag-aagaw na light at saka darkness brought by the sunset. And you watch it with celebration. Parang you're watching it with someone special. You're celebrating every moment of it. No, at yung notes po nito ay cinnamon, tobacco, cacao, and other warm spices that personally reminds me of Christmas. Actually, may boozy facet din siya. May boozy facet din ito dahil sa orange peel na dinagdag, no? Para siyang may boozy nuance to it kahit wala po siyang boozy note na nakalagay, and may animalic na side din siya, most probably because of the Nagarmotha oil. Okay, so anyway, the cinnamon and tobacco here would remind you of another tower perfume. It is called Oneros de Kandahar. Isa po yan sa mga mahirap ng hanapin na tower perfumes. Actually, ang tower po medyo mahirap din hanapin sa Pinas, and I am thankful for Fraghead friends, no, na nakuhanan ko po ng partial na sundowner. Pero Oneros de Kandahar, the tobacco use and the cinnamon use would remind you, parang similar sila. And para sa akin, no, if you have seen my posts sa Frag groups, no, it personally reminds me of Christmas sunsets while you are watching, if you know the movie A Christmas Carol, is a 2009 movie, and you are eating cinnamon rolls, no. Ang galing lang nung binibigay sa akin na memory nito. And I would like to use the illustration ng isa ko pong friend, no, si Sir Erwin, na sabi niya para siyang amoy ng raisin bread sa Baguio Country Club, no. So if you have tried that before, no, that's really good. Pero lalagyan mo siya ng ashy tobacco. So parang ganun, no. Basically to give you an idea of what sundowner would smell like. So again guys, no, yun yung 5. Again, no, Valenzuela Romance, Angel Share ng Kilian, Desert Rosewood, Goldfield and Banks Australia, Crush on Me ng Unique E-Luxury, and Sundowner ng Tower. Ako po, personally, I associate, again, no, katulad na sabi ko kanina, I associate specific perfumes with special events, no, para pag naamoy mo yung perfume, it would remind you of the event, no, of that special occasion or special something na nangyari sa buhay mo. So ayun, no, kayo guys, ano po ba ang perfumes that would remind you or make you think of Christmas? Yun lang po guys. If you find this interesting, if you find this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. Again, Merry Christmas to all. Ingat po kayo.